First of all, I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do a new assignment for you. This is the chapter 10 of Go course. Here I am going to solve some part of this assignment for you. If you want me to solve rest of this assignment, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email address given below in the description box. The name of this assignment is Excel 10 EER department. So first of all, we will look at the project description. In this project, you will import data about emergency department technician, ER doctor, paramedic services, and emergency suppliers into Excel and query the database to locate information. This is all we are going to do here. But before starting this assignment, I am professional. I can help you out in all the courses of Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Math, Stat, Business Math, Finance, Accounting, Writing, Technical Writing, all these courses, and will provide good grades for you at a reasonable price, and my services are available 24 by 7. So let's start this assignment. This assignment is consist of 13 points. Here I am going to solve some part of this assignment. In step number 1, it is saying open the Excel workbook student 10 Excel. So here first of all we have to open this file. Student, as you can see, student last name is at the start of this assignment. This assignment is consist of one is how the final result will look like, one is text file, one is assess database file, one is CSV, and one is instruction, and one is the Excel file. So here we will solve the exercise file on which we are going to perform all these instructions. So in step number 1 is to open the file. So let's move to step number 2. In step number 2, it is saying on emergency staff worksheet in cell B22, insert the average function as the database use the range A3 to F2020, and as the field type hourly wages, as the criteria use the range C22 to C23. So here we have to insert a D average function. For this, we will go to cell, that is B22. Here we will insert a function D average. You can manually type it, or you can select here this formula bar. It will open D average. First is database. So here you will select from A7 to A3 to F20. This is you are going to select. Next is the field. Field is hourly wages, or you have to manually type it. You cannot select it. So here we will type, sorry, here we will type as hourly wage. And next at the end is criteria. In criteria it is saying C22 to C23. So here we will type C22 to C23, and we will press OK. So this is our average hourly wages. And next we will move to step number 3. In step number 3, it is saying in cell B25 enter a dsum function using the database range A3 to F20, type wages per shift as the field, and C25 to D26 as criteria. So here we will type in cell B25 D sum. Either we can type it, or we can here from here formula bar functions we can open it. First of all, database it is saying from A3 to F20, that is selected. And next is, so here field is wage per shift, and at the end criteria it is saying C25 to D26, C25 to D26, and we will press OK. So this is giving result of 1749.48. So next we will move to step number 4. But before starting step number 4, I am professional. So if you want me to do this assignment or do this complete course, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email address given below in the description box. In step number 4, it is saying apply accounting number format to the result B22 and B25. Click cell A1. So here B22, we will apply accounting number format on the home tab in number format. Here is the accounting number format. Similarly for this one, and at the end it is saying just click in cell A1. So it's click now. Next we will move to step number 5. In step number 5, it's a long point that is having 10 marks. In step number 5, it is saying display the ER staff information worksheet and then click cell A2. From data tab, use get data command to get data from the Microsoft Access database downloaded with this project. E10 EER staff.accdp. Select the ER staff table and load it into existing worksheet. Close the queries and connections pane. Click cells A1 and then save your workbook. Make users from the file menu. Click import like click CSV. Select the common delimiter file E10 10 EER staffs CSV for Mac user.csv file. In step 2 of the visitor, select comma as delimiter and start at cell A2. Format the imported data as a table. In the alert, click yes and then apply green table medium style 7. So here we are going to do this. So first we will move to ER staff information. We will click in cell A2, then we will go to data tab and get data from Microsoft Access database. Here we are going to select the file. Let it open. It will take a bit of time. So where your file has been located. So go courses, Excel, chapter 10, ER department, ER staff. As you select, it will load. It is saying connecting. Please wait a while. We will establish a connection and then let it establish the connections and then we will select the table. Table has been selected and here we will select load to option in load menu and here we will select click existing worksheet. As this is PC, so we will do this and click OK. So this function has been performed. Next we will just close this connection and queue. So step number 5 has been done. Next we will move to step number 6. In step number 6, it is saying display the ER doctor worksheet and then click cell A2. Import the text file E10 capital ER doctor.txt downloaded with this project. Be sure that delimiter is set to tab and then load the data into existing worksheet. Convert the table to range. Click OK and then close the query and connection pane. Make user format the imported data as a tab. In the alert, click yes and apply green table medium style 7 and convert the table into a range. So we will go to ER doctor worksheet, click in cell A2. Again we will get data tab. From here you can select as text or from get data. From file you can select text or CSV. And then here we will select 10 ER doctor data. So as the data is selected, make sure the delimiter tab has been selected. We will click load to and here we will select existing data, click OK. So this data has been loaded and at the end it is saying we have to convert this table into a range. For this we will go to the table design and here in the table tools we will select convert into range. So this is converted into a range. So next is step number 7. In step number 7, it is saying remove duplicates Dr. ER from each field ER unit. One duplicate value will be found and removed. So I have completed half of this assignment for you. If you want me to solve this full assignment, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email address given below in the description box. I will solve out this complete assignment for you at a reasonable price and will provide good grades for you. Thanks for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Goodbye. Have a nice day.